Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today you join me here at BEAMISH. It's a very busy day today and it's only a Thursday. Why, you may ask? I can hear you asking. Anywho, it is VE Day, Victory in Europe Day. So we're commemorating victory from World War II in Europe. Now, it's a very special one. It is the 80th anniversary. So I've come to BEAMISH because we're going to have some events on. And let's see how BEAMISH are celebrating VE Day, 80th anniversary. Wow. So of course the museum has just opened and I'm heading straight down to the 1950s area rather than the Georgian, Victorian and 50s area. Straight to the World War II themed home farm. You can see there's some coal fires already being lit down in the pit village or the colliery village, and I can see some bunting, some VE Day red, white and blue bunting. Whoop whoop chicken soup. So here we have an example of a homemade pillbox where the army or the home guard would be in there with machine guns as a line of defence against the Nazi invaders. This one's made out of an old boiler tank with the cutouts in it and then a door cut into the back of it. So there's an old boiler tank there. and that's what this was made out of.
I'm home about 8, just me and my radio. And it's for heaven, saving my love for you. Because I'm through with love. I stop my heart, I'll keep my feelings there. Locked up my heart with icy frigid air. And I mean to care for no one, because I'm through with love.
So that was the 1940s home farm area. Decided to leave there and have a look around the museum, see if there's something else going on. But I would imagine most things would be centred around there, since that is the wartime area. Just heading into Beamish town. And what I have noticed is the merry-go-round is playing wartime victory songs. The one before this one was da, 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 da. Don't know what this one is though. So in Beamish Old Town, they have all the bunting out. Even though this town was set before the war, but it's still good to see all the bunting. hunting in the window of the 1950s houses. So I've decided to come back to the home farm, which seems to be where most of the VE Day celebrations are centred. Couldn't get my words out there.
He smiled, 5 feet long, he's an awful little dodger with a smile, a sunny smile. Flush or croak, he'll have his little joke, he can't be suppressed. All the other fellas have to grin when he gets this off his chest. Hey! Pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile, smile. While you've a Lucifer to light your fire, smile boys, that's the style. What's the use of worrying? It never was worthwhile. So pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile, smile. All the sergeants and
So in about 10 minutes time, we're going to observe a 2-minute silence at 12 p.m.
saying goodbye to them all.
But until then, we've got some songs.
Say crawl. You'll get no promotion this side of the ocean, so cheer up my lads, bless them all.
Events 1 to all stations. The calling hooter will sound at 12 to begin the museum's 2-minute silence to mark the 80th anniversary of VE Day. Thank you. That concludes the 2-minute silence. Thank you. 1 out.
God save our King.
Send him victorious,
Happy and glorious, long may he reign on. Well, I think that will just about conclude our visit here to Beamish today to celebrate the 80th anniversary of Victory in Europe, VE Day 2025. Shall see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.